Hello, learners. Well, I am really excited about this week because we are on week 7 of planning your meal, and you get to make it this week. So it's probably not something you're going to do just today. You have all week to make it, and even if you don't get to it this week, if you can get to it another week, that would be awesome. But we have spent all this time planning and preparing. We have researched researched a recipe. We have gone shopping. We have prepared a space to make our meal. We've talked about the importance of hand washing and doing a great job washing your hands. So I'm really excited because this week you get to make your meal. So I actually, this weekend, it was cold. I made chicken noodle soup, and I followed the exact same steps that we've been working on. I researched my recipe. I made my list. I went to the grocery store. I actually did a little bit of both. I went to the grocery store and I also did some online shopping and went and picked up some of my items. So I did it myself, and then today I made the chicken noodle soup. So we got to enjoy that. And we have leftovers, so I get to enjoy it the rest of the week. So I want you to take time this week and make that recipe. So that's going to involve cooking. Please don't cook your hands. Cleaning your hands prior to making it. You need to make sure you have all your items available before you cook. Make sure that you have any pots or pans that you're going to need. Then you're going to start the process of making your meal. So you're going to read the recipe or follow picture instructions if you just want to follow what you need to add. Look to see if you need to start your oven. Are you going to use the oven? If you need to do that, then you need to check the temperature and get that oven started. And I would encourage you, if this is your first time making this meal, to have an adult. And you guys are all adults, but have a parent or a guardian help you. So I do know that you're all adults. So make sure to just grab that parent or guardian and have them help you. Then you're going to proceed to measure the items. So if they're dry or liquid, just make sure that you're doing, I will post a video on how to measure dry and how to measure liquid measurement. And so it'll be just a little how-to if you need some brushing up on that. And then I just need you to chop, to slice, dice any of the items. Again, there'll be a video on proper chopping techniques. If we were together, we would work on this, and we are together, but unfortunately at this point, us doing food things when we're in person, it's not the best idea. So we're gonna not do any food prep until we can all fully be back together in a really nice, safe way, and we're not all needing to wear masks for safety. So if items need to be put on the stovetop, look to see how you can adjust your stovetop, adjust the temperature, and then put all the items together. Okay? And then you use the oven if you need to. The most important part about this all week, if you do make this, please send a picture to Miss H and myself. Our emails will be listed. We would love to see your creations. We would have loved to have tasted them. Again, just not an option in our current system with COVID, just being really careful. But we'd love to see the pictures, and then hopefully when everything's back to normal, you guys can maybe possibly make them again and share them with all of us. So this week it's making the meal. Super exciting. I cannot wait to see all your creations. So enjoy. Bon appetit. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot. Bye.